Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a poster in Canva step by step. Whether you're designing a poster for a school project, business promotion, event, or social campaign, Canva gives you everything you need to create a professional design quickly and easily. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. On the home page, click Create a Design and search for Poster. Select the poster design size to open a new project. Once the editor opens, you can start with a blank poster or choose one of Canva's professionally designed templates. Templates are a great option because they already include attractive layouts that you can fully customize. Next, click on the title and replace it with your own heading. Then edit the remaining text with your event details, promotional message, or any other information you want to include. You can customize the font size, color, spacing, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. To make your poster more visually appealing, click Photos to browse Canva's image library or use Uploads to add your own images from your computer. Resize and position the images until they fit perfectly within your design. Now open the Elements section and add icons, shapes, lines, or decorative graphics. These elements can help highlight important information and make your poster stand out. You can also change the background color or add a background image to match your design style. Take a few moments to arrange all the text, images, and graphics neatly. Make sure the title is clear, the information is easy to read, and the overall layout looks balanced and professional. When your poster is complete, click the Share button in the top right corner and choose Download. If you're printing the poster, select PDF Print for the highest quality. If you're sharing it online, choose PNG instead. Finally, click Download to save your finished poster. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional poster in Canva. With Canva's templates and easy editing tools, you can design eye-catching posters for almost any purpose in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.